So the Volkswagen AUX port is actually this crappy port for an old iPod or whatever it was. So I went ahead and bought a cable. Let me show you, which looks like this. But no matter what I do, it just won't go in there. It's just really that tight because, let me show you. So that's what I'm looking at. And I'm starting to think this might also be the wrong cable for that. So I was trying to make my auxiliary port work, but since I'm on here, let me show you what the back looks like. That's the back of the board, and this board is what plugs on there like that. So if you've never seen the VWA auxiliary port, this is where this one is at instead of being over there in the glove box where you have the normal 3.5 millimeter. And this thing sucks because I've been struggling trying to see if I can put this in here, and I just can't get this in there. And obviously I'm not gonna force it, but one, because the cable is going this way instead of straight down, and two, because that looks a lot different than that one. Yeah, this will cover on the top, I think, but I don't know. I'm not able to get it on there just because of the way it is, and this thing is just not dropping in. So there you have it. And oh, and this is the other little cover, and those are all the screws that go on the back of that. And this thing goes right there. So I just went ahead and took all the screws from the front because I thought this would come off. But this piece, it's stuck with these, so you can't move that. So as you see, the plug is not there anymore because there are two tiny screws on there so I can take it out. Unfortunately, Volkswagen, in all their wisdom, decided to make it so that you can't take these out. So you can see I got these two tabs in the way, so I can't even get it out so I can test the cable. So I'm gonna have to break those, and I guess they do that so it won't fall or whatever, but come on, man. So let me see if I can just move it or something. This needs to come out so I can test this cable, which I think is not even the right one, but that's the only one they sell online. So let me try that. Okay, so I ended up breaking the tab from this side in order to take it out, but sure enough, look at that. This cable does not fit, even though it said it fit an MK5. So that's why it never would have gone in there. It's too short. So that's definitely not the right cable. Come on. So let me try this with the other hand just to show you. Yep, that won't fit in there. And besides, there's really nothing on the outside. This one has it on the outside. Everything's in the inside. But now that I have this off, I wonder if they make what do you call it? AUX replacement that has all these pins, and so I can just swap this for that. So I'm gonna have to look in there, but this is for Audi, I guess, different cars. So there you go. Just thought I update that.